Here's my Aquaman na hindi pa tapos. Ang alaga ko. No! What can you say about my painting, Miss Hanina?
I see it's pretty realistic.
Realistic paint?
Yes.
Really? I can't believe I paint this one. See?
You're being sarcastic.
Huh?
You're being sarcastic.
Hello, uy. Ayan na guys, yung Aquaman ko. Konti na lang kasi may mga ano pa siya guys, may mga konting highlights na kailangan dyan. Salamat sa thumbs up. Tapos may next orc na naman po kami. Sa mga gusto pong sumali ng mga art contest, ay bukas po yung Mangguguhit Arts Group para po sa mga mahilig po magumuhit. Yan. Yan na po sino ba yan sa palagay nyo? Kamukha ba siya ni Jason Momoa? Kamukha ba ni Jason Momoa itong taong to? Idol nyo rin ba to? Jason Momoa. One of my favorite. Yan. Konti na lang. I-close natin kung anong mga pagpapasensya dyan sa pag-arts na yan. Tingnan nyo. Nakakaloka yan. Gusto ko kasi may mga rough shading. Yan. Tapos yung mata niya hindi pa yan tapos kasi... Oo. Hanin! No! No!
I'm drawing on the black.
No! Don't make black.
I'm drawing on the black.
Kailangan pa po kasi ulitin yung mga mata, tapos yung mga pores. Kita nyo yung pores niya. Yan. Para na po siyang totoo. Ganyan pala yun. Alam ko na nakukuha ko na yung mga technique nila para sa mga realistic paint. Iba naman po sa lapis, iba naman po sa paint brush. Yan, tingnan nyo po. Para pong pores talaga siya. Pero kailangan ko pa po talagang improve kasi hindi pa po yan ang bali dyan, hanggang dyan lang po ang ating bakit na baligtad ang camera? Ayan ang magpakita mga mukha namin, walang mga ligo.
Don't flip the camera.
Kasama ko kasi alaga ko. Yan ang pinaka supportive ko na mga amo guys. Si Hanin is very supportive to me in times mga gamit ko. Yan ang laging nagre-request sa mami niya. Nabigyan What's this man?
What's this man?
Aquaman.
This Aquaman.
What's that Aquaman?
Aquaman is a man in the water. He's a hero
And
in
he
the
has a
water.
throne.
Yeah. He's a strong man in the water.
What's you doing in water?
If Spider-Man have web,
예쁘다.
Ipuda. Ipuda.
예쁘다 means pretty.
What's this
진짜
over?
예쁘다.
Ay, Ipuda.
Tivatas.
Korean din yan.
It's Tivatas.
Ha?
No, it's not Tivatas.
It's not Ipuda daw.
Why?
It's no, it's Teddy.
Where? Where you?
Nagandaming tawa si Asis.
Yes.
It's 예쁘다?
Yeah, that's
No, it's still wet. No, not yet.
He got it on his lips.
This is
What's this
water
over there? No.
drop,
What's that
but
over
it's not
there?
yet done. So we need more time to make some
No, I'm
highlights.
over it. I'm over it.
Ayaw daw niya nito kay di daw si Spider-Man.
It's 예쁘다.
Yes.
It's 예쁘다. Alright.
So kamukha ba siya ni Jason Momoa?
Ah.
It's
Yan
예쁘다.
na. Bye na, guys. Thank you for watching. 2 million people watching.
Thank you for watching.
What do you mean 2 billion?
To 1 million
Yeah,
people
what's that
watching.
million?
Ingay ng mga alaga ko.
Liar,
Yeah,
liar.
what's
There's only one person.
Ang pinaka-supportive talaga dito sis, ang alaga ko na babae. Yan. Pinaka-grabe mag-support.
Employee.
Lahat ng mga gamit ko sila nabili. Si amo ko babae, hindi na yan
Stop
nagtatanong.
touching it.
Kasi alam na niya. Mahal kasi, ay hindi ko naman mabibili.
It's Deba.
Ayan.
It's stable.
Deba means amazing.
Debo.
Tables making.
Ayan na, yan na, parang ang pores ni Aquaman. Ganyan pala siya gawa ng mga
Why is his nose
pores.
crooked?
Hindi pa nga tapos, hanin eh. It's not yet done. Does it need more highlights here to make the
Like
nose?
you see here.
Where?
Where?
Honey, there's a dropping of water.
Of
So,
water.
this is water dropping. Which not yet done. It's
But
not
it makes it look crooked.
Wait, not yet done. Ano ka ba? Tuyo. It's still wet. We need to make like this more here to put some drop of water
But then it's
here.
like, why is there a line? That makes it look
Eh,
like...
it's not yet done. I will still put some drops of water.
What's that?
I let it dry. Kalas! Layas na kayo dun.
I'm saying that shows his nose look crooked.
Okay, not yet.
Shut up.
Yala, shut up. Yala, bye.